And don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Hi, this is Kevin with RVFix. Today I just wanted to talk to you about a couple quick things we can take a look at on your water heater if it doesn't seem to be working for you. So starting off, if you've already checked your fuses on the inside and you know you have good power, no blown fuses, anything like that, but you're turning it on to propane or the electric mode and it doesn't seem to be heating, there are a few things that you can check out here. So first thing, we just want to open up your cover. These are on hinges, it's just going to flap down on you. On this guy, this is going to be more for the propane side, but we're going to have our propane orifice and burn tubes going right through here into our burner. So if you turn your water heater on and you hear the ignition cycle starting, you hear this trying to ignite, but we're not getting any flame in there, there's a good chance that this little tube right here could be plugged up. Insects, mainly spiders, love to make nests inside those tubes. It will block that propane flow, so it will go through its whole ignition, but it won't light because your propane's just building up in here or coming back out of that tube. These actually are a little bit harder to blow through, but if we had some compressed air or a can of air duster, you can actually go right in through these little slots, and we're going to blow that air towards the burn chamber, and that's just going to try to clean anything out that's built the nest in there. Like I said, give it a good blowout straight into that burn chamber. If anything comes out, you know, it'll get blown out when this water heater actually lights and comes on right there. Another thing, if it's turning on, switch inside, but it's not even trying to ignite, you do have this little 2-amp fuse on your control board right there. If that little fuse is blown, you can flip your switch inside, it'll light up, but this will not do anything gas or electric wise. So that little 2-amp fuse. Another thing that is actually kind of common on these Atwoods, even for the newer style, is there is another thermal fuse that is this little guy right here that's wrapped in that plastic coating. That is an overheating protection. What we have seen though, if you get a lot of wind in through your exhaust blowing back into this, it can actually cause that thermal fuse to think that it's too hot in there, and that will burn up. And it's not always noticeable that it's burnt up, it just won't be passing power through it anymore. That is always one thing you can check. You can test it if you have a multimeter for checking continuity through it. Other than that, you don't really want to bypass this guy because it is a safety feature, but it is a pretty easy piece to replace. It's just held on with a couple spade prongs right here and right there, and it is something that you can actually purchase on Amazon in like a 10-pack for these Atwood water heaters. You can find a link to that in the description down below.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.